After 5 years of restoration work, the Vatican Museums unveiled the statue of Apollo in its original marble glory. The Apollo Belvedere, as it's known, is one of the most famous and important pieces of art in the papal collection because it has inspired countless artists over the ages, including Michelangelo, who took him as a prototype of Jesus in his artwork, The Last Judgment. The Apollo Belvedere once paved the way for the Renaissance, but now it finds itself in need of support. This statue, dating back to the 2nd century after Christ, has suffered significant wear over the years. It has extensive damage to the knees and ankles. Its journey to the Vatican in the 16th century at the request of Pope Julius II further underscores its historical importance and enduring legacy.
It gives us an insight into art, it gives us an insight into culture, also faith and history. And this is incredible because we are really the oldest museum in the world. And so people from all around the world now can appreciate the faith, the art, the history, the culture of so many, many centuries. They study it, and then they're able to teach others about the past, the present, and the future.
The mold used to create this masterpiece was discovered in the 1950s in northern Naples. Among the plaster was the left hand of the Apollo Belvedere.
And then there's this very important detail for us who specialize in ancient art. This bronze by Leo Cares, which is the original from which the Apollo Belvedere is derived, among the fragments of these plaster casts discovered at Baia in the 1950s, which were later studied.
It was also discovered that the white marble statue once used to have golden hair. Thanks to the use of advanced restoration technologies, the statue of Apollo of Belvedere can be admired by millions of visitors to the Vatican Museums for the next hundreds of years.